According to the world's best CEO voted in the last 100 years, that was Jack Welch, who was heading GE, the most important function in the company is not sales, it's not marketing, it's not finance, it is HR. It's all about people, it's all about culture. We talk about SOPs. SOPs is common sense. It's checklists. But that is the key, that is the heart. And most of the companies don't have any SOPs. सब अपने मर्जी से काम करते हैं. And unfortunately, काम चलता है. इसके लिए लिखते नहीं है. I'll give you a simple example. There's a great guy called Dr. Atul Gawande who has written a great book called Checklist Manifesto, in which he gives this example of the importance of SOPs. In a US hospital, one doctor wrote SOPs to avoid infections while putting in the central line. You know what the SOPs said? Wash your hands. For the doctors, wash your hands. Clean the patient's skin with antiseptic cream. Cover the patient with a sterile drape. Cover yourself with gloves, gown, masks, headgear. And then do the dressing on the infection site with a sterile bandage. Common sense hai? Most of the doctors missed 1 out of the 5, which resulted in heavy infections. The doctors were forced to do this. Doctors were forced to do this. Imagine, compulsory. The result was they could avoid 43 infections, they could avoid 8 deaths, and they saved $2 million in cost. $2 million. That is the importance of SOPs. SOPs are common sense things. That is gathered wisdom. You know what to do, but everybody doesn't know what to do. And even if everybody doesn't know what to do, they don't do it because we are subject to emotions. मैं जब वो काम कर रहा हूं तब मेरा मूड कैसा है उसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है मैं कौन से स्टेप फॉलो करता हूं. मेरा मूड खराब है तो मैं 2 स्टेप भूल गया. सर सॉरी मैं भूल गया. Now we are human beings. We will have emotions. So have SOPs. Have gathered wisdom. So consistently, again and again, you follow the same things. And the secret of success of McDonald's is SOPs. Everything is written down. You want to know the importance of SOPs and how it affects business? Understand this. You want to start franchises, right? Franchise is a great model today. Subway है, Cafe Coffee Day है, Barista है. आप जो देखो सब लोग कैलाश पर्वत है, सब लोग फ्रेंचाइजी शुरू कर रहे हैं. एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन आपके एरिया में कोई फ्रेंचाइजी शुरू होता है और 4-5 साल में बंद भी हो जाता है. ये सुनो, देखा है? Have you ever seen any McDonald's outlet close? You can never find. They never close. बॉम्बे में एग्जाम्पल है. तारदेव में एक क्रॉस रोड करके मॉल था. अभी वो सेंट्रल मॉल है ना, वहाँ हाँ ग्राउंड फ्लोर में मैकडोनल्ड्स खुला है. वो मॉल के सारे शॉप्स बंद हो गए. मैकडोनल्ड्स वहीं का वहीं है. It is not closed. Do you think it's a coincidence? दादर शिवाजी पार्क जाओ. शिवाजी पार्क के पास में एक मॉल है. I don't know what is the name of that mall. नक्षत्र मॉल or whatever. वहाँ का मैकडोनल्ड्स is not closed. पूरा मॉल बंद हो गया. McDonald's outlet never closes. You know why? They have a 500 pages manual of how to select a location for an outlet. It can never fail. Worldwide. Worldwide. कोई भी देश में खोलो, बंद नहीं होएगा. 500 pages manual how to select a location. They cannot go wrong. That is how SOPs work. The magic does not lie in the model. The magic lies in execution. And SOPs is not a rocket science. We all know how to do business. If you are doing business for 10 years, 20 years, you have it, but it's all here. And you know, it's frustrating to tell, अरे कितना बार बोला तेरे को ऐसा करने का, कभी सुनेगा तू? उससे कुछ नहीं होएगा. बीपी बढ़ेगा, आपको हार्ट अटैक आएगा या पैनिक अटैक आएगा, बाकी कुछ नहीं होएगा. आप सुरेश और रमेश को गाली देते रहो. प्रॉब्लम ना सुरेश का है ना रमेश का है, सिस्टम्स का है. बनाओ सिस्टम.